India used to have the cheapest mobile data charges in the world, but no more. This week, price hikes kick in for the country's 3 private telecom operators to save the struggling sector. And Neha Punya tells us how customers are reacting.
Prior to this across-the-board price increase, India had the cheapest mobile data anywhere in the world. You could spend as little as 26 cents, so the price of 1 cup of tea, to get 1 gigabyte of data. Compare this to the global average of $8. But cheap data is no longer a hallmark of India's telecom sector. All 3 private companies, that's Vodafone-Idea, Bharti, Airtel and Reliance Jio, have announced a tariff hike of over 40%. Vodafone and Airtel both blaming the move on record losses of over $10 billion and a fierce price war that started with the entry of Reliance Jio in 2016. While Jio is the only profit-making telecom company in India currently, experts say its low-price strategy was not sustainable in the long run. The hike is the first of its kind in nearly a decade in India, and experts say it was desperately needed to make the sector profitable once again. But consumers in India are not welcoming the move.
Suddenly नहीं करना चाहिए क्योंकि लोग उसके familiar हो चुके हैं कि 1 GB आपको daily मिल रहा है तो लोग फिर ऐसे कैसे चला लेंगे.
So this is quite a lot. तो इतना तो नहीं होना चाहिए था और क्योंकि कंपटीशन था बिकॉज जियो बिल्कुल कड़ी टक्कर दे रहा था तो इतना एयरटेल और वोडाफोन कम कर ही रहे थे बट स्टिल ऐसा होना तो एक्सपेक्टेड नहीं था.
While customers aren't happy, markets rallied on the back of the announcement and telecom stocks briefly went up. India has over 1 billion mobile phone users, making this one of the biggest markets in the world. Experts say revenues have fallen by 80% in the last 10 years and the price hike will help shore up earnings. But this isn't the only issue plaguing the Indian telecom sector. Vodafone, Airtel and Jio are also struggling with outstanding debts of over $10 billion to the government for the purchase of airwaves. While the government has briefly put a halt on the payment of these levies till March 2022, these telecom companies will still have to continue paying interest on a monthly basis. Neha Punya, CNA, New Delhi.